Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I am going to show you how to install ROM on Samsung Galaxy J2. So guys, let's start. At first, go to your mobile setting. Then scroll down and go to about device, and again scroll down and you can find the option builder number. Tap builder number 7 times. I have already turned on developer mode. So then go to developer option and scroll down and turn on OEM unlocking. Turn on. Go to home and go to my file. To install ROM, you need a zip file. I will give the link in the description. Here is the zip file. Copy the zip file to the SD card. I have already copied it. SD card. Now power off your Android phone. My phone is turned off. Now press power button, home button and volume up button to enter recovery mode. Press at a time. Swipe to allow modification. To avoid any risk, back up your phone, but I have already backed up. So go to wipe, advanced wipe and select don't select micro SD card. Then swipe to wipe. Then press home button and go to install. Select storage and select micro SD card. Press OK. Now you can see the ROM for J2 chip. Press here and you can see here swipe to confirm. Swipe to confirm. Now swipe. Now it is now installing. Now here you can see next, then agree the term and agree the term and the condition. Press next and select hard format and select next. Here you can see this next and again next and press next. You can see here next and reboot your device. Press next. Swipe to unlock and device is now rebooting. In security policy setting, about device, you can see Android security patch Muhammad Nurul Islam Lamb. This is how you can install ROM. You can find some feature. So guys, this way you can install ROM. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.